Unlock seamless customer connections and supercharge your business communication with MessageBird. Welcome to your quick start guide on mastering the MessageBird platform. Today, we'll explore how to harness its power for everything from sending simple SMS messages to integrating sophisticated chatbots, all designed to boost your customer engagement and streamline your workflows. First up, SMS messaging. It's incredibly straightforward. Simply navigate to the messaging section, choose SMS, and you'll see fields for your recipient's number, your sender ID, and then, of course, your message content. You can send a single message or upload a list for bulk campaigns. Think of it for timely alerts, appointment reminders, or promotional offers. Beyond text, MessageBird handles voice. You can initiate outbound calls directly from the platform. Perfect for customer follow-ups or urgent notifications. The platform also provides logs and analytics, so you can track call history and engagement metrics. Now, let's talk about the future. Chatbots. MessageBird makes integrating automated conversational agents easier than you might imagine. This allows you to provide instant support, answer frequently asked questions, and even guide customers through simple processes 24/7, freeing up your human team for more complex tasks. The real power of MessageBird often lies in its integrations. Connect your existing CRM, e-commerce platforms, or other business tools to create truly unified communication workflows. This means your customer data is centralized, and your communication efforts are more impactful and less siloed. Finally, keep track of everything with MessageBird's analytics. Monitor delivery rates, engagement metrics, and conversation volumes. This invaluable data helps you understand what's working, refine your strategies, and continuously improve your customer interactions. So, whether you're sending a quick confirmation, making a crucial call, or building an automated support system, MessageBird is your all-in-one solution for powerful, efficient, and engaging customer communication. Get started today and transform how you connect.